Yup. I grabbed her by the hand, I said, "You too lucky." Chick was very fine, she had the juice, trust me. I ain't talking bishop, but the walk was vicious. Had to sample her whole body, it was all delicious. And she ain't all expensive cooking, she do all the dishes. I had to call her father, you gon' have to call her missus.
It's the guy G-Holy repping G-Holy.com, and right now I'm gonna start off with some platinum. You know what I'm saying? Platinum and K-Train is a double decker from them boys, man. You already know them, man. If you've been following my channel, you already know what it is, man. Let's get right into it. If you want to see me react to anything at all, I'm always in the whip and I'm always playing some shit now. Platinum is dissing somebody. I think it's me, so I'm on the lookout to see who it is. I feel like he dissing me. He just didn't want to say nothing, so that's what we're trying to figure it out.
Here it is, that diss track. I'm an empty clip, so we click back. Boy, if I took your bitch, best believe you not get your bitch back. I said I was a guy with the shit, and I'm still that. Your blood, I might spill that when your fucking cap gets peeled back. Screaming at you, did you feel that? When that still blast, I'm having the feeling that this shit's gonna get real bad. You might wanna go chug you some liquor, think that you tough, you a killer. I ain't pulling up with gorillas, you need to learn to shut the fuck up and listen. I want them all to watch as I turn this grown man to a fucking little infant. And how that bitch bad, you call it disease when you hit it. How you that tall with the mind of a midget? You trying to fuck with a menace. I use these drugs as a mission. Use these drugs, you addicted. And boy, I got balls like a prison. Let me tell the world right now that you was pretending. He's saying he do what he isn't. You was my dog and she was my friend, so tell me the fuck is the difference. I'm smoking this album like lemons. Every hour a minute, this little cow will be bitching. Boy, I swear to God, I've seen you fucking cow with the children. Ain't do shit, but shout that you'll get them. And what you was gonna do, you'd only talk about what you didn't. Don't run around with my fitness. No one's around me, ain't no witness. I might sit some fucking around still bitty. And you're a dog, welcome to the pound, you're now winning. And I already know how you was, well, I'm day one, see, I know this. However, your the sentence is always so bogus. You need to get side on your life, cause you have lost focus. And maybe you should try to be sober. I ain't even playing with you, all of these games right now, dog, that shit's over. And you
Clearly somebody he knows personally. This is not, he's not dissing somebody he has, no clue about. Like, this is very personal disses. I don't know why this nigga next to me is playing this Spanish music while I'm trying to do a reaction, but I'm not even gonna pay him.
can hold the weight of a bowler. Fuck with me, bitch, if you're hung on the posters. I'm hotter than vultures, I am a soldier, you are a poser. If I can't fucking rap and you can't explain why in the hell, and I'm the one who's global. If you ain't wanna be part of the mafia, why did you post a video saying you did all of my scrotum? I know what you say back, so I'ma go ahead.
I'ma just go on record saying this. Fuck whoever he talking about, nigga. I'm riding too. Fuck you, homie.
Throw it out in the open. About my freedom was almost stolen. So a little girl told a line, a barrier broken. Something I soaking, fuck it happened. It's in the past, ain't no taking it back. It's already written, now you moved past it. What about you beating on women, what's that shit? You was a fake, she made out of plastic. I might even pull up in a hearse, dog, you can leave in a casket. I'm spitting nothing but heat, you can call me a dragon. You posted a picture of you and another dude touching your asses. What is that called? That's called being a faggot. You talk like you want it, I'm really about action. Keep it 100, you have it, you got me laughing. I don't do your career.
This nigga is not PC, bro. He don't care about the F-bombs, none of that. I don't like the Heat Dragon line, but in order to say this many words about somebody, you got something on your chest. And not only that, but like to be able to put it in a, look, I'm gonna tell you what's hard to do. It's hard to diss somebody and have the flow be, cause you're trying to say what you're trying to say so much, you might have to slow it down. To diss a nigga and go, you got a lot of shit to say about him, and that takes skill. It's like when people tell stories, but they put punchlines in it also. That takes like, it's like two different things you putting together. You get what I'm saying? So this type of flow is not even like a diss rap type flow. You get what I'm saying? This is not back to back. This is not, you know what I mean? Like, so yeah.
You never had when I blow you to fragments. Yeah, I gotta admit you straight with the rapping, but better than me you never be. Even if you see me practice, just keep on fucking these ratchets. I'm spitting plums in your ass and all that's left is some ashes. This is called passion, this is called magic. You gon' get beat like it's Madden, bring me no static. Yeah, you might just go get blasted, running with bats like batters. Then I commence the commission of getting you battered like lashes.
Yo, fuck that nigga, dog. Nah, for real, man. Like, Platinum a good nigga, man. You know what I'm saying? And you know what's dope about Platinum? That nigga is the leader of his whole shit. You know what I'm saying? And he carry it like that. You know what I mean? Like in our personal conversations, like he's definitely a leader type nigga. You know what I'm saying? So no, he don't lead his niggas astray. If he going to war, got to be for a reason. So fuck that. You know what I'm saying? Let's get it. This K-Train stuck in my ways.
Yeah.
Platinum Status CNT.
It's Train. It's the Mafia. Platinum Status CNT. And we ain't got.
K-Train starting to sound blacker and blacker, man. Yeah, I know. When he told me he was into black girls, I cut that part out of the interview. But I feel like this is starting to be a black voice now. I don't know.
I cry no more. No, we ain't. God's gonna wipe away all our tears. He's gonna wipe the tears from our eyes. You got me on my knees begging, please don't destroy me. You got me on my knees begging, please just love me. You got me on my knees begging, please take it easy on me. Cause I've been stuck in my ways. Yeah. I've been stuck in my ways.
Yo, these niggas mixing came so far, bro. This shit is a professional. This shit sound professional. These niggas is professionals. I don't want to say like they're not. I'm just saying I know niggas doing it themselves. This shit is straight out of a studio, like a fucking top-notch studio. But anyway, or at least semi-top notch. I like the way he letting the beat ride. You know what I mean? I like the way it's like that. Sometimes you gotta let the beat do what it's doing. You gotta let it say what it's saying, and then you know, interject when you need to. You know what I'm saying? Like I did on my song All For You. You know what I mean? This is like along a similar vibe. I don't know why, but it's also, I don't want to say giving me because that sounds crazy. It's also, what can I say besides giving me? It's also some type of Mos Def Umi Says type. Don't ask me why, because it's a little more like, it's a little less soul, it's a little more, I don't know, like electric, but it still feels like that to me.
Look, the way that I do shit is one way, my way. I ain't hard-headed, it's just the way I feel is most safe. Hold me close, never let go. Treat me right, treat me like I'm gold. Misdirected vibes get you hurt. Love somehow leaves you killed. But all the feelings you done spilled and all the time you wasted, feeling like self-guilt. I'm riding these roads, thinking about my life. Have I done right? Man, was I enough? Man, that's tough. But you got me on my knees, begging, please don't destroy me. You got me on my knees, begging, please just love me. You got me on my knees, begging, please take it easy on me. Cause I've been stuck in my ways. Cause I've been stuck in my ways. Yeah. Look, I've been striving to find a better life. I'm so tired of wondering if I'm doing right day and night. Countless times I couldn't sleep. Countless times I couldn't find peace. But God was with me, protecting me. Cause he ain't let me come home, yeah. Yeah, maybe I ain't playing the game right. Maybe that's why I ain't received my jet. Yeah, man, I'm coming for the chain. Yeah, trains next. I've completed my transformation. I've been talking to strangers. I've been going through some changes. I can get you off of my brain. I've been dealing with some pain. I've been dealing with some pain. But you got me on my knees, begging, please just love me. You got me on my knees.
Nigga doing this thing, but this is a badass beat. I'm trying to figure out, yo, man, these niggas still ain't put me on their producers yet. They still haven't put me on to who's be producing this shit yet. I feel played, bro. Real talk.
Yeah. I say you got me on my knees, begging, please don't destroy me. You got me on my knees, begging, please just love me.
So listen, I felt like it could have used a rap like part on it, like maybe like a 8 bars of straight yo, you know what I mean, different, just a baritone type, you know what I mean, through there. But it was all good. I ain't gonna lie, like that's a vibe. The whole shit was a vibe. It's one of those joints you put on, you cruise, and it's like, you know what I mean, no disrespect to what he was saying, it was all good, but like he didn't even need them words. I'm gonna be honest with you, like it flowed, it didn't obstruct what was going on, but it's just, the beat is such a vibe, it's hard to miss on there. But he did his thing. Not to say he didn't. He definitely did his thing. I want to hear the response to the diss track. That's what I want. I want to hear who Platinum was talking about, what they got to say about him. Because they going to probably say some shit about him too. They probably going to say, you was dirty when you was younger. Then you got a little bit of money and you acting crazy. You flipped on. I want to hear their side. I'm going to go find that nigga. Get his side. I'm not going to tape it, but I'm going to listen. It's the guy G-Holy, repping G-Holy.com. That was Platinum and K-Train. Platinum came with diss track. K-Train came with Stuck in My Ways. Platinum ENT. It's the Mafia, you already know.
I fuck with Destiny, the bitch is a dime. You can't fight a sister fate, that bitch win all the time. This shit is too astounding. I thought niggas was solid. They got a shot in their arm to go to hookah lounges. It's the last of the real ones. We down bad, but it's still some.